last night I got another offer from a friend. Messaged me that his parents were looking to get rid of their 3 Series BMW, or they'd been offered £240 scrap, but the guy never got back to them. That I'll just take it. I think for £240 that is pretty good. Maybe I can recreate the issue if I just do that. So I thought, just to investigate this chain rattle, because I had to move the car earlier to get something from underneath it, and when I went underneath, what I thought was the chain rattle seemed to be coming from underneath the car, and this is what I found. You can hear it now. So just under here, I'm pretty sure that's the rattle, not the chain, which is all the way up the front of the engine there. So I'm going to try and capture it on video. Other thing I noticed, excuse the wind noise, is that oil, and it smells quite bad even just sitting here. And can you see that? So I'm pretty sure that what I thought was the valve stem oil seals, which is common on these, it isn't. I've tested it, I've started it from cold. After it's been stood, given it some revs, tested it on overrun, doesn't blow any smoke out, but the vacuum pump seal can go on the top of the engine, which is quite a quick job to do apparently, and I think it's leaking from there straight down to the exhaust, and that's what's causing the smell inside. So fingers crossed, the £650 chain replacement may not be required, and the £300 for the valve stem oil seals may not be required, but yeah, there's still a few other bits and quite a few other bits and pieces I need to do, but hopefully I can get it back on the road after it's been MOT'd in the next few weeks.